Alright, let me see if I can get a quick video of these. These are my 3D printed headphones. I've got them finished up here. Let's see if I can get that to focus. I've got them finished up here and wired up, and so I'll try to get a couple of good shots in the video of those. But they're kind of in their finished design right here. They came out pretty good. I was fairly impressed with how they worked. I'm using a couple of 40mm drivers that I got off of Parts Express, and I can send links to those. But they sound really good. The foam pads here are they're sewn together. It's just fabric that I picked out, and then I used this. Grab this here. I've just got this packing foam that I have accumulated from shipping things, and so I cut it into strips that were 1 inch wide, and then I circled them around like that with the fabric on them. They're very, very comfortable. They feel great. The top foam pad as well as the side foam pads are both made out of the same thing. And then they're 3D printed so that this top plate that goes on covers up, so the fabric there goes inside that, and then I put the top plate on. Kind of the same deal with these. The inner plate, which holds the speaker, is screwed into the outer plate. You can see the screws in there. I designed it to be put together with PC screws because that's what I've got a million of lying around. And so I kind of designed it to be built out of stuff that you might have lying around. The wiring goes up through the post here, through the middle of this piece and over to the other side. I designed it with jacks on both sides, so you can plug in either side into a headphone jack and get audio to both sides that way. And so you just need a headphone jack to headphone jack cable. I've got one coming in off eBay, but it's not in yet. Those things, the jacks were like $2 a piece. So I can already see a design issue that I've run into, mainly on the adjustability of these headphones. They slide in and out like that to make them adjustable. This nut is 3D printed. It screws into the speaker plate, which is also 3D printed. That works pretty well, but you're screwing in a plastic into a plastic, and so you really can't torque down on them very hard. And then what I have also run into is, based on where the speaker is set up, let me see if I can get that. You can see in there where the wires are coming out. That nut, as you tighten it down, is pushing into that speaker. And so there's only so far. Oh, I'm 3D printing right now. I just 3D printed out the covers to them. For the record, you don't have to 3D print out covers. You could make them out of plexiglass. I mean, it's just a flat plate with four holes in it. But you can see on our Flash Forge over here, they are just finished up. So they'll match the rest of it. But anyway, overall, the project went really well. I'm fairly pleased with the first iteration of my 3D printed headphones. I've already got some ideas on how I could improve the next version of them. So, but overall, they came out really neat. They sound great. I could add a preamp in there. There's a couple of ideas that I've got going on that I may incorporate into the next design. Hope you like it.